Okay, so now let's do an unboxing video of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. The one that they gave is in Mystic Blue, which is actually quite a nice color. So on the front of the box, it says Buds Live with a picture of the buds. On the right, it just has the e-warranty sticker. On the back, Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, the features and all that. On the left, it says Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. On the top, it just says Samsung. And on the bottom, you have the color, barcode, serial number, and all that stuff. So, let's cut open the seal. Oh, right. There is another seal. Okay, so slide it out, and here we have a sticker. In here we have a packet that says Samsung, and it should open here. And right in here we have quick start guide, warranty card, and that's about it. Here we have the USB-A to USB-C cable, along with what looks to be some replacement ear tips. And finally, the buds themselves. Just remove it, and once we open it up, there you go. This feels quite nice. Okay, so let's pair the Buds Live to my Galaxy Tab S7. Just open it up, and it should appear right there. Galaxy Buds Live. Gonna click connect. Right, my apologies, but it is sideways and it is already connected. It's installing the Galaxy wearable app, and okay, it's asking me if I want to access my contacts, manage and make phone calls, access this device's location, allow only when using app, allow Galaxy wearable to access phone photos and medias. Okay, and there you go. It is paired and it is doing all the necessary stuff. Congrats on my new Galaxy Buds Live. Continue. Okay, that's for contacts. This is for my calendar. Allow. Access phone call logs. Okay. Send and view SMS messages. Allow. And it's telling me how to wear my earbuds. Okay, got it. And that is it. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of my new Samsung Galaxy Buds Live in Mystic Blue. Thanks for watching and goodbye.